Hello Glenn, ano yung fitness commitment mo ngayong 2026?
Ang fitness commitment ko this year to be stronger, and yung pag-measure ko nun, kailangan yung bench ko, yung squat, tsaka yung deadlift ko mga twice or mga around twice ng ng current weight ko. And speaking of which, yung weight ko konting decrease din. So to be stronger tsaka to be leaner.
Yun, ayos, thank you.
Ayos.
Yan, good morning Ike.
Morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bali, ano yung promise mo ngayong dadating na 2026 regarding sa iyong fitness journey?
Promise ko, resolution ko this year. Aside from lose weight, from 79 to 76 ulit. Isa pang thing na I will work on with Coach Robin ay yung sa pag-reduce din ng body fat. So gusto natin dapat ang magandang measure ng health ay syempre yung body fat. So that means improve diet and improve nutrients na pipiliin mo sa maging conscious ka sa pagkain mo. So yan ang focus natin this year.
Yan, so promise niyan guys, 76 kg for 2026. Pagka hindi na to pa, babalikan namin yung video na to.
Thank you.
Alright. Interview ako muna dito, Sir Jan. Anong pa-promise mo sa 2026 sa fitness journey mo?
Ano sir? Yung initial ko binamis. Yan 86 kg.
86 kg. Yan, promise yan. 90 na ngayon.
90.5.
90.5. So next year,
Next
86.
year, 86.
86 kg. Yan. Yan ang promise.
Yes sir.
Oh, Miss Laura, ano yung promise mo or yung fitness commitment mo goal this 2026?
Okay, ang commitment ko this year is consistency. Meaning, dapat at least 3 times a week nakikita ko si Coach Robin, tapos nagta-train kami. And the other 2 times, I should be doing different kinds of sports like pickleball, golf, tennis, swimming. And my goal really is to be able to, very specifically, to be able to do at least 20 pull-ups by the end of the year.
Okay.